Hello. For any of you that know what a YouTube play button is, if I reach 10 subscribers, which is a super low amount, I just feel like making a play button. So I'm going to go find a big rock and carve it into a play button. Yeah. If I reach 10 subscribers, I'm going to make a video of the finished product. But until I get 10 subscribers, I have no play button. Okay? Get me 10 subscribers, please. So anyone that is watching this video, if you have not subscribed, please. I have about 6 subscribers. So I need 4 more. Just please, subscribe. I know the reason I don't have many subscribers is because it's mostly because I am not very well known, because it's hard to reach the depths of the internet. So, yeah, if I get 10 subscribers, I'm going to some store or something, and I'm going to buy just a big stone brick and carve that thing into a stone play button and show you the finished product. Please subscribe.